Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Tesla wall charger to the Tesla app on your phone. This is easy. Just open up the Tesla app right here, and you want to add this as one of your products. So just on the home screen here, you can see everything. Go to the top right. Right here, the three little dots are the three lines. Tap that. You can see this page. Go to My Products. You'll see your Tesla in there. Go to Add Product down here. Go to Charging. Then we can continue. Now choose the wall connector. Then get started. Then you have to scan the QR code. You might have this paperwork with you. You can just simply scan right here. And then go to Scan QR code. Now, if for some reason you lost this paperwork, just go to I don't have my quick start guide. And there's going to be a small QR code on the side of your wall connector. And then you can just go to scan QR code right there. And then you should be good to go to set it up and connect it. I believe you're going to have your Wi-Fi on and you'll connect to it. Now, if you get to some issue where it's just not working or it's not connecting, it's because you're going to be connected to the Wi-Fi still on your wall connector. So just simply go up the top, turn off your Wi-Fi right here, and then simply turn it back on. And that will prompt you to disconnect from your wall connector, and then you'll be able to download the update for the wall connector. I know that's the glitch I had for some reason. So just look at that as an option, but once you scan that QR code, it'll be pretty much easy from there on out. You'll just have to update it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.